Hello and welcome to Avi Networks installation video for Cisco ACI integration. In this video, we'll be covering service graph creation and virtual service creation. We first log into Cisco APIC and then we select L4L7 service graph advanced template. We name our service graph and then start dragging and dropping Avi ADC tier 1 and tier 2. Once that is done, then we connect all our nodes using L2 connectors. Let's select function node 1, click on internal and select ADC tier 1 intermediate and repeat same thing for N2 external. Now we'll be adding service graph to that contract which we created in last video. We select the contract and we hit submit. So this causes deployed graph instance to be populated with contract, service graph name. This will be the name of virtual service. Now let's log in to Avi controller and configure Data VNIC. So we select infrastructure, then we click on clouds and default cloud. Once we go to network, here we'll see all the imported networks from Cisco APIC. We edit that network to configure a static address pool. So here, this is the client BD which needs to be have some static IP addresses for service engine. We need to repeat same procedure for server bridge domain as well. Let's create virtual service by selecting appropriate tenant and going to install demo tenant. Select basic setup. We'll be pulling up the name of virtual service by which is contract and service graph. We select VIP IP address and we select server using EPG. Now we have deployed our virtual service. We can go to vCenter and check whether the service engine, which is actual load balancer, is getting deployed. We can verify same on Avi using going to infrastructure and verifying the name of service engine. Let's log in to APIC. As we deployed service graph, we automatically created device selection policy and Avi device under L4L7 devices. As this device is not ready, if we see those lift to shift mapping is not ready yet, it is saying it is invalid. But once Avi service engine comes up and virtual service turns green, it will be populated with appropriate values. Let's wait for service engine to come up. And virtual service just came up. Now here we should be able to see actual lift to shift mapping performed automatically through Avi configuration. Let's go to our vCenter client and then type in curl command to verify whether traffic is flowing through. So here we have verified using curl command that traffic is flowing through and we see some chart showing the same information. So in this video, we configured a service graph as well as we configured entire load balancer using Cisco APIC. This concludes entire series of APIC installation videos. Thank you.